The Geely Binyue L Battle Edition was officially launched on November 15. Official prices for all four models range from 84,800 to 97,800 yuan, with an early bird price of 74,800 to 87,800 yuan. To further meet the sporty expectations of young consumers, the new car is equipped with an all-new carbon fiber sports kit, further strengthening Geely's position in the sporty segment. The Geely Binyue L Battle Edition features a specially developed exterior design focused on sportiness. The new model features a redesigned, flared carbon fiber-style front bumper, which instantly enhances its sporty appeal with a lower, more aggressive stance and textured materials. The striking red Battle logo added to the front grille further reinforces its sporty character. The vehicle's side design also continues the sporty theme, with sporty kits extending outward on the side skirts, making the overall shape more dynamic and easily recognizable. Rear changes focus on aerodynamic components. A new, larger rear spoiler, an integrated airflow channel structure in the rear bumper, and the four-tailpipe dual-exit exhaust system remain. The overall sporty design is more targeted. The interior features a suede-trimmed cabin design, which covers the center console, door panels, and other areas. The seats are upgraded with two-tone suede sport seats with enhanced side bolsters and orange sport seat belts to enhance the sporty atmosphere. The vehicle features a 14.6-inch central control display with the built-in Flyme Auto vehicle system and the E02 high-performance chip. The roof window has been upgraded to a panoramic sunroof, which offers voice control and remote opening/closing via app. The driver's seat offers 6-way electric adjustment. In terms of safety features, it is equipped with a 540 degrees panoramic view system and an L2-level intelligent driver assistance system that includes functions such as ICC intelligent cruise control, AEBP pedestrian detection and protection, and ELKA emergency lane assist. It can meet the safety assistance needs of everyday urban and highway driving, and its configuration level is essentially on par with competing products in the same price range. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 1.5 TD plus 7 DCT combination producing 133 kilowatts, 181 horsepower, of maximum power and 290 Nm of maximum torque, paired with a 7-speed DCT wet dual-clutch transmission. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.6 seconds and, with a combined fuel consumption of 6.35 liters per 100 kilometers, it meets the needs of young drivers seeking a vehicle that balances fuel economy with sportiness and practicality.